Have you ever forgotten your Instagram password and found yourself locked out of your account, only to realize you don't have access to your email, phone number, or even the recovery codes? It's like trying to break into your own house without the keys. But what if I told you there's a way to recover your account without those methods? Sounds like magic? Stick around because we're diving into a powerful solution that's more accessible than you might think. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. Quick disclaimer, this method is purely for educational purposes. We do not condone or encourage any illegal activities or privacy invasion. This video is intended for legitimate recovery purposes only. Be sure to always respect the privacy of others and use the information responsibly. With that said, let's dive into the best method for recovering your Instagram account. Alright, so you're locked out of your Instagram account. You've tried the usual methods, resetting your password through email or SMS, but nothing works. It feels like a dead end, right? But don't panic, because there's another route you can take, one that many people don't know about. There are specialized services out there that can help you recover your account without needing the usual email, phone number, or codes. One such service is Vixpass, a team of professionals that can help you monitor your second device remotely, giving you access to all the data you need like your Facebook messages, account info, and much more. Now, before you rush off to try this, let me be clear. Vixpass is a trusted service, and they've helped thousands of people recover access to their accounts. They do this by connecting securely to your secondary devices and helping you regain control of your Instagram by providing you with the crucial information you need. Think of it as an emergency tool for when traditional methods just won't cut it. But, and this is very important, do not use these methods for anything other than recovering your own accounts. Privacy is a big deal, and it's essential that you respect others' boundaries. Now let's talk a little more about how Vixpass works. This service essentially helps you monitor your secondary device remotely. What does that mean? Well, if you've ever logged into your Instagram account on another device, like a tablet or a friend's phone, Vixpass can help you tap into those devices to extract your account's key details. By using remote access software, Vixpass can assist you in retrieving everything from old messages to account settings, essentially giving you the ability to regain control of your account when you're locked out and can't use traditional recovery methods. So there you have it. If you're stuck and traditional methods aren't working, Vixpass is an option that can help you recover your Instagram account safely and securely, without needing your email or phone number. But remember, this is a tool for legitimate recovery only. Use it responsibly. Check the pinned comment or the video description for more details on how you can get in touch with the Vixpass team. And again, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need help. Stay safe out there, and as always, thanks for watching.